Meaning of HMSO.
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 HMSO. HMSO stands for Her Majesty's Stationery Office, which is an organization responsible for producing and distributing official government publications, such as laws, reports, and statistics. Originally established in 1786, HMSO has gone through several changes and mergers over the years, but it remains an important institution in the UK government today. HMSO played a significant role in shaping UK history by publishing important documents, such as the Treaty of Versailles and the Beveridge Report. It also played a key role in the development of modern copyright law by publishing the first Copyright Act in 1911.